Pinupuri at pinasasalamatan po natin ang ating Panginoon para sa buhay ng mga kabataang manggagawa ng ating GSOS Christian Church. Praise God po sa mga kabataan na kabilang sa isang ministry. Ostero Melanie, bilang Youth Treasurer. Kuber MJ, mula sa PMM Dance Ministry. Lizano Sinder, mula sa PMM Dance Ministry. Narisma Alfie Mikael, mula sa Praise and Music Ministry. Pendre Erica, mula sa Media Ministry. Villamayor Bernadette, mula sa PMM New Generation Musicians.
And praise ka din po sa mga kabataan na may dalawa o higit pang ministries. Bungaw Kissinger, bilang CF Assistant Leader, KKK Workers, and mula din po sa Praise and Music Ministry. Cuver Jomerson, bilang Youth Internal Vice President, Evangelism Head, and mula din po sa Praise and Music Ministry, Ushering Ministry, and Kata Ministry.
De La Cruz Van Cyrus, mula sa PMM New Generation Musician, PMM Dance Ministry, and Jeff Workers. Evas Kurik, bilang KKK Worker, PMM Assistant Director, and Kata Ministry. Lapido Chester, bilang YP Discipleship Secretary, CF Assistant Leader, at mula din po sa Media Ministry, and Praise and Music Dance Ministry. May Angel Rose, mula sa PMM Dance Ministry, KKK Worker, Youth Worker, and Jam Controller. Munilya Kyle, mula sa Ushering Ministry and Katha Ministry. Mortel Juliana, bilang YP Secretary, CF Leader, and mula din po sa Media Ministry. Navidad Jared, mula sa Praise and Music Ministry and KKK Worker. Navidad Michelle, bilang CF Leader at mula rin po sa Praise and Music Ministry.
Poblete Jury, bilang YB Project Base Head, YB Fellowship Subcorps, CF Leader, Assistant Secretary of Ushering, Prayer Captain, and mula din po sa Katha Ministry. Santos Eresatel, bilang Youth Worker, and mula din po sa Praise and Music Dance Ministry.
Valdez Tyron, bilang YP Follow-Up Head, CF Leader, IPM Assistant Head, and mula din po sa Ushering Ministry, Katha Ministry, and Media Ministry. Vigilia Christian, bilang KKK Worker, CF Assistant Leader, and Youth Worker, and mula din po sa Praise and Music Dance Ministry. Villamayor Cristina, bilang Youth External Vice President, CF Leader, and mula din po sa Praise and Music Ministry, IPM Ministry, and Katha Ministry. Praise God din po sa ating GSOS Youth Ministry Department Heads. Kadasyo Patrick, bilang Youth Internal President, and mula din po sa Praise and Music Ministry. Sparsha Jonah, bilang Youth Advisor, YP Discipleship Head, KKK Coordinator, and mula din po sa Media Ministry, Praise and Music Ministry, and Katha Ministry. Rosaldo Manuel III, bilang Youth External President, IPM Auditor, Prayer Minister, and CF Leader.